की खूब और का बातें से टीवी. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter SUV is in town. India's first Coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Or Dharmapi, Minwan Ramangi, Hakerdob Ying Jongpi.
Ka Frank Motors hakasantrik urisau arca usau. Kala penbenapat ba ya ka jingwara thamai jong ka tata curve ka basdang nakador ka ba khandai point khandai lak tingka. But ya kani ka kali la palat pat ba the branch manager jong ka State Bank of India ka DGAR branch u TK sang. But u branch manager jong ka State Bank of India Madan Riting branch u Murunal Deshmukh ringkat ka jing sakhilang jong utrai ka Frank Motors u ba indon lang pasa ki bahaying hasam ki customer ki nongtre jong ka Frank Motors but kiwe ki balasha khot shobha ka curve kawan ra ya ka sporty Coupe design but ka de ka kali ka Nyngkong e hakani ka segment ki features ki kenthop ya ka 12.3 inch touch screen infotainment system power tailgate but ka boot space ka basan spa litar nalor kata ka don riujat ki rong but southly ki variant na ka banta jong phi ki bakwa ban thie de khani ka kali ka bathamai phila ban let pe hi dalati ha ka showroom jong ka Frank Motors ka batan halat kor ha maulai ha nongpo but ha jowai.
Featuring the all-new SUV coupe design, and it is also Tata Motors' entry into the mid-size segment, which is the fastest growing segment in India. Okay, so this is the slide showing the growth in the mid-size SUV segment. As you can see, in the year 2020 to 21, the market share of the mid-size SUV segment is only 19,000. And in the year 21 to 22, it grew to 24,000. And in the year 22 to 23, it grew to 33,000. And in this financial year, the market share in the mid-size SUV segment, it grew up to 50,000. And who wants to do well in their new job? So they would want a car which will have road presence and a customer who's a tech savvy, who's very good in this modern technology. He would want a car jam-packed with features, with the latest features, and a discerning customer who is very good in judging the quality of anything. So he would want a car which is beautifully crafted. And pragmatic and value-conscious customers. They are customers who want a car, a value-for-money car, who would give them every word of their penny that they have spent on the vehicle. As you can see, it has connected LED DRL and connected LED tail lamps, and as you can see, the car is beautifully crafted. And it has 3 engine options, including EV. So the first engine option, which is the latest engine option, Hyperion direct injection engine, gasoline. It's a petrol engine, and the engine is very powerful and pumpy. It has a power of 125 PS. The torque it has of 225 Nm. And this engine, most of the components of this engine is built with aluminium frame. And in the base variant, you are getting these features: premium coupe design, premium interiors, 5-star capable, Atlas architecture, 500-liter boot space, and the ground clearance, 208mm ground clearance. Flash door handle with welcome light, 6 airbags, LED headlamp, LED.
Kata curve kerja kali berpilih berjaya berjaya lightly the engine kata Hungarian kerosene 1.2 liter Revitron petrol lani 1.5 liter Cryojet diesel. But ini kali baru tuan update di automatic transmission kebetulan berjaya berjaya fully automatic lani manual transmission. But booking kalau sedang mentah bila dan book no hard number.